ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తారు?
నేను వెళ్తున్నానండి ఇప్పుడు ఇంటికి. Hello guys, good morning. So it's 64th day of lockdown, like almost around 2 months I have been home. I thought like it will be for 1 week, but finally I got a chance to take out my KTM Duke 390. So the thing is, I have some work to do in Visakhapatnam. I'm planning to ride today with Zoya till Visakhapatnam, and I'll be back in the evening. Right now I'm in Rajahmundry, so I didn't tell my dad anything. I was sleeping. I woke up. I have a cup of coffee. I'll just intimate my dad that I'm leaving and I'll be back by evening. See you guys. So it's afternoon around 1 p.m. I came to Vizag. It took a hell lot of effort because there was a huge traffic jam, but somehow I managed to reach my flat. I'm tired. I don't know what to do. So the thing what I'm planning now is I'll take a nap and I'll wake up and I'll see you guys after this. Hey guys, good evening. So currently I'm in Vizag and I just came here for work today morning. I have started off and I thought of leaving, but it was like so hot. I couldn't literally start and I'm still sweating like hell. It is around 5:50 in the evening. I'm planning to start off from Visakhapatnam right now. Currently I'm in my flat. I just geared up my knee pads, boots, and oh, I'm so sorry. This is my jacket. This is my helmet, gloves, balaclava, tank bag, and this is my normal carrying bag. So yeah, let's see. I don't know how far I can make it, but I need to start as soon as possible. So I'm all set to leave from Visakhapatnam. I thought I could start tomorrow, but it's so fucking hot here. I took almost bath for 3 times and then I totally gave up. The time is 6. So finally a flag off from Visakhapatnam now. Oh fuck, it's so fucking hot. And I don't know literally how I managed to stay since morning in this fucking hot room. It's like a microwave oven. I love this, and this guy is wearing an empty helmet with an intercom device. It is BTS3, I guess. I think this was my worst ever decision I have ever made. This is a Sheila Nagar signal. And man, what is this bike? Okay, this is a RS 200. Man, I'm so thirsty. I don't think my bike will go for 37 kilometers as far as I know. This 390 is fun to ride. I'm using Duke 200 sprocket on this. I'm getting a good mileage. Depends on how I ride, because in city limits I don't think I will be getting a mileage of 25, because when I tested it in city with 390's stock sprocket, it was giving me the mileage of around 20 to 22, like 20 to 22. So this was the actual mileage figure in city traffic which I was getting. But then when it comes to highway, I usually do push the bike very hard. Like I did around 170 kilometers an hour in the morning while I got a very good stretch where I pulled the throttle. And the fun thing here is I have got this new visor, and this visor, man, works like a charm. The time I lean, the wind blast is like almost equal to zero. That is like really a bliss. अरे भाई मेरे जाना रे. All I need to do is to just find a fuel pump, refuel, and पक leave. भाई 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 दे रहे सिग्नल दे रहे. ओह ओके. Thing is, it's almost like half an hour. I started off from my flat, and I reached Gajuaka, where I'm supposed to refuel. Full tank chesesende. So the possibility is I thought I can get a power fuel, but here we have only normal unleaded petrol. There is Zoya. My God, look at that beauty, man. It looks so damn hot. So it's 647.35, which is 8.81 liters, like almost 9 liters of fuel. Hopefully I should cross Vizag. Zoya is all set to move. Morning I rode for around 220 kilometers, and now I'm starting back again for 220 kilometer stretch. Bhai, again a red signal. So this is the last signal of Visakhapatnam, and I am near steel plant. నేను వెళ్తున్నానండి ఇప్పుడు ఇంటికి, రాజమండ్రి. వైజాగ్ నుంచి. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్. పర్వాలేదా సార్? హైవే పర్వాలేదా? ఓకే అన్న, థమ్స్ అప్ హాఫ్ లీటర్. నేను యాక్చువల్గా మార్నింగ్ వచ్చాను సార్ వైజాగ్. మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. I gained one more subscriber from my YouTube channel, so just look at that. He's watching the video. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. 350 subscribers as of now. Oh fuck, I was just about to fall, man. And it's already 7 o'clock in the evening. I have spoken to one of the cop in Vizag city. Like comparatively from Rajahmundry city, Vizag cops are very much better. I mean, at least they have some respect towards the citizens, but no Rajahmundry cops has that. The time I met the cop, he spoke very respectfully. He just asked me like where I was coming from and where exactly I'm going. I told him everything, and yeah, and then he's like go slow, take a break in between, bike might get heated up, it might stall, and he gave good wishes. I was pretty much happy. Like, yeah, there are like genuine cops who are doing their duty, because once I have come to a case for a animal distress case. So these were the people available in Gajuaka police station. So yeah, I'm pretty much happy with the response, like how they responded. So finally I crossed Vizag city. It took almost 50 minutes. It depends on the highway clearance. My goodness, man. भैया चूसको भैया मारेंगे. I'm glad that 390 has an ABS. Otherwise, I would definitely crash and I would have fucked up with my life. At least I'm happy that I started off with my scooter, which is Chetak. That is how I started, and then I shifted back to the scooty, and then I bought an KTM RC200. I rode it for 63,000 kilometers, and now this Duke 390. Okay, so in 62 minutes I covered around 45 kilometers. There is like no proper lane sense. He's not at all using his signals. Oh fuck! Even after riding 390 I miss my Sophie, man. I don't know why. My god, I missed an accident, man. Nobody is visible. Oh my god, my heart is beating very fast. But anxiety attack, man. Auto phone pay. I stopped here because there is very less visibility and I'm unable to see the traffic properly. So I'll just clean off my visor and I'll start off my ride again. I covered like almost 50 kilometers. Highway light should be like this, man. There will be no visibility issues. I have been riding since very long, but due to this lockdown, the practice is completely gone. My bumps are paining, my back is paining, my hands are also paining, like everything is paining, and I'm feeling sick in my Ladakh ride. I mean, everybody say, have you done Ladakh? Because even in Vizag, the time I stopped, the guy who subscribed, he asked me whether I have been to Ladakh or not. I said, no man, I haven't been to Ladakh. No rushing, going slowly. कहाँ से कौन सा भाई आएंग मालूम नहीं, भोसड़ी के चूतिया साले, साला ट्रिपल राइडिंग घुसे रहते एकदम. माय गॉड, अरे ऑटो वाले सही है भाई, कहीं से भी उतरना है तुम लोगों को. So it's 433 kilometers. So I finally reached Rajmundry. My hair is so messy. It was such a hectic journey, hectic ride. Welcome huggies. So what I will do is just play with her for a while, and I'll fresh up and get back to you guys. Guys, so I got freshed up. I took a nice cold water bath. I had my dinner, and I am on my bed. The worst ever decision which was taken by me was taking up a ride in this lockdown. So I shouldn't have done it. So it was one amazing ride, and I have missed so many accidents in between. This vlog will be so much boring. I don't know why. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. This is Raj Kiran signing off.